is probably the strangest story you've ever heard. It's about two little men who live out in space.
That's us, Omicron.
Now, that's Omicron. He's from the planet Venus. And his name is Nudnicron. He's from Jupiter.
And no one can understand the way they talk over there.
And the Sputnik.
We call them satellites.
Yes, well, a Sputnik is a satellite. Now, the Sputnik is from still another planet, one we call Earth.
So, Sputnik is a satellite, Omicron sits inside of Sputnik, and it looks like a needle. Venus has been known throughout history as the morning star, Phosphorus, Lucifer as in a title, not a name.
Pentacle and pentagram are often incorrectly used interchangeably, so for clarification, this is a pentagram and this is a pentacle. A pentagram is a 5-pointed star with the lines continuously moving from one point to another. It is one of the oldest markings known to humankind, dating back as far as 3000 BCE. It's a symbol that has appeared in many different civilizations all over the world. In ancient Greece, it was used to demonstrate the golden ratio, which is all around us in nature, in faraway galaxies, in the way shells create spirals, and even within our own bodies. The Greeks basically worshipped the pentagram as a symbol of perfection. For pagans, the pentagram stood for the 5 elements: air, earth, fire, water, and spirit. When encased with a circle, it becomes a pentacle and represents how all these elements live in harmony.
The most recognizable feature of the Taurus constellation is the large V that makes up the head and horns of the bull. There are 2 stars within this V that represent the eyes of the bull. The bull's right eye is named Aldabaron. Massive, red, and fiery, it's the largest star in Taurus. It's one of the 4 royal stars and has been called many things, including the Eye of God. The bull's left eye is named ayin, which means eye or bullseye. The origin of the word bullseye is likely related to Taurus. The character for Roman numeral 5 is a V. The 5th card of the major arcana is the Hierophant, which corresponds with Taurus and is related to the sacred mysteries. In the Thoth deck, the main figure sits on a bull. Notice the pentagrams and the 5-petaled flower behind his head. The woman below is Isis, which acts as an expression of Venus. There's the V again. Taurus is an earth sign ruled by Venus. If you trace the progression of Venus from Earth, it creates an amazing pattern, a 5-petaled flower. This pattern takes 8 years to create and has been referred to as the Venus rose or the Venus pentagram. What a beauty.
Here is a picture I took standing in front of the Abenderstern, which is German, and it means the planet Venus, as seen from the western sky in the evening. It's the evening star.